Hey guys, welcome back. So Samsung Galaxy S9 is just 7 days away, and surprisingly enough, we still don't have any real life images of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. With the Galaxy S9, it is all about the camera. Samsung itself has teased the camera quite some times. They released videos which show some of the main highlighting features of the Galaxy S9 camera. These videos were released some days ago, so I'll admit that I'm a little late to the party. In the first video, they says the camera reimagined. This video in particular doesn't reveal much, but at the end it shows the aperture changing, which will be the dual aperture feature of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. So in the second video, here is this animal in this cave and it's very dark inside. We can barely see the deer, but then the Galaxy S9 logo comes and this deer becomes very much more visible. It's clearly pointing towards the improved low light photography of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. In this third video, it's the birthday boy and he's having the time of his life. He's excited, he's sad, and at the end of this video, his face turns into a cartoon form. This one is the hint for 3D avatar of Galaxy S9, or you can say an emoji, and this avatar of the Galaxy S9 is supposed to be better than the an emoji of iPhone 10. In this fourth video, everything is moving fast. The cheetah is running, the plane, everything is in fast motion. And in the ending shot, the skydiver is going very fast, but then the Galaxy S9 logo comes and it all slows down, which is a clear indication to the super slow motion video recording of the Galaxy S9. As you all know, 960 frames per second at 720p. This is all what these videos reveals, and it's actually a lot of revealing. Let me know what feature of the Galaxy S9 are you most excited about. Me, I'm most excited about the super slow motion video recording. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more coverage, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.